Croatia's first PEMP model view controller framework, known as Pistol, marks a significant development in the country's web programming landscape. Launched to streamline web application development, Pistol emphasizes simplicity and efficiency, making it accessible for both novice and experienced developers. The framework employs the architectural pattern, which separates the application logic into three interconnected components: the model data handling, the view user interface, and the controller business logic, thereby promoting organized code and enhancing maintainability. Pistol's design prioritizes performance and scalability, allowing developers to create robust applications capable of handling varying loads. Additionally, it includes built-in features such as routing, templating, and database integration, which reduce the need for repetitive coding tasks. By fostering best practices and encouraging modular development, Pistol aims to elevate the standards of programming within Croatia, inspiring a new generation of developers to embrace modern web technologies.